Looking for a simple way to organize your meals or freeze more than just ice? These silicone ice cube trays deliver reliable, flexible strength with food-grade silicone that makes releasing frozen cubes effortless. Unlike stiff plastic trays, a quick twist is all it takes to pop out perfectly shaped cubes every time. Whether you're freezing ice, pudding, chocolate, or even pureed meals, these trays adapt to your kitchen needs with ease. One standout feature is the tray's versatility. Each tray produces 4 ice cubes, making it ideal for portion control. But it doesn't stop there. These trays double as molds for frozen pudding, cake bites, biscuits, and more. Their non-slip design keeps them steady on your countertop or table, so you won't have to worry about spills or messes. Plus, they're refrigerator, freezer, and microwave safe, and stack neatly to save space when not in use. Take it from a customer who's put these trays to the test in a unique way. Caring for a 92-year-old father with dysphagia meant pureeing all his meals, which was time-consuming and frustrating. Using these 4 cube trays, she prepared and froze different meat and vegetable combinations in perfectly sized portions. The thinner silicone made ejecting frozen meals easier compared to thicker trays, speeding up meal prep without sacrificing quality. This practical use case shows how these trays go beyond ice cubes to support real-life needs. If you're juggling meal prep, baby food, or just want a better way to freeze small portions, these silicone trays are worth a look. They offer a reliable, easy-to-clean, and space-saving solution that adapts to your lifestyle. The thoughtful design means you get consistent results without the hassle of stuck cubes or bulky storage. Ready to simplify your kitchen routine? Try these silicone ice cube trays when you're ready to upgrade your freezer organization and meal prep. Whether it's for everyday ice, homemade treats, or special dietary needs, they deliver convenience and flexibility you'll appreciate.